Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing the last tutorial with the Butter London Goddess palette. Natural Goddess palette. This is what the colors are. This is going to be tutorial number 3, so let's go ahead and get on into it. It is pouring rain, so I'm going to try not to do too much. So let's go ahead and take a Wet n Wild blending brush and dip into Temptress. Be very careful, it's pigmented. And let's just start on the outside. That beep is my garbage truck, sorry guys. Just blend into the crease. If you hear my neighbors, I do apologize. And I am looking over here into the screen, I'm sorry. Okay, grab a little bit more. Like, I'm literally grabbing almost nothing. I gotta look into the mirror, sorry guys. So how's everybody's day going? We got a little bit more for this side. Alright, so that's what it should look like. And then I'm going to go ahead and take this Luxie Precision brush, which is normally for like a cut crease, but I'm going to do like a, I guess like a, not a bowl cut crease, but like a glittery, not sure. I guess I'm going to take this shade right here, the Femme Fatale, or Femme Fatale. Wow, there's a cat hair on it. I do apologize if you guys can hear my neighbors. Ooh, wow, that's pretty. I'm just gonna put this right here in the middle of my crease. Super pretty. Let me look in here. Make sure to blend it in. And I'm also going to go back in with the blending brush and blend in the crease. Make sure there's no harsh lines. Alright. That actually looks pretty cute. But I'm going to get a little bit more. Okay. Let's go into the other side. And then blend away. It's harder to do this side because I am right-handed. I am noticing a little bit of fallout from the shade right here, the turquoise shade. There's a lot of kick up though too, if you guys can see that. Okay. All right. So here's what it should look like. And then I'm also going to take a e.l.f. concealer brush that looks like this. I think I'm going to take Enchantress right here and put that in the corner. I'm also going to use it as a highlight shade too. That's super pretty. It's just all about blending, guys. So I have this with no product on it, but I'm going in blending the edges, as you can see. Sorry if it's like super quiet, guys. It's hard to concentrate. It's just all about blending pretty much. As long as you just keep on blending, it works out. Alright, so this is what it should look like. And I'm going to go back into that turquoise Femme. Look at that. That's bad. I'm going to just... stamp it. Alright. There's so much kickback, guys. Alright, so then it should look like this with like a little color. Then we're going to go into our blending brush. We're done with this. Now we're going to go to our blending brush. Actually, I do need the mirror. We're going to our blending brush with no product. And just blend out that shade on the bottom. Once again, I do apologize if you can hear my neighbors. Alright, so it should look like this now. Super pretty. And I'm just going to go in with some that's lip gloss. Some mascara. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex in the shade Black. I'm only going to do top lash today because, like I said, it is raining. Okay, I need the mirror back to do this side. Sorry, guys. Absolutely love this mascara because it doesn't clump. Alright. There's a ton of fallout on my face. As you see, I just smudged it. I didn't do like a full face today because it's raining. And then I'm going to go ahead and take the lip gloss, the Wet n Wild lip gloss in the shade Featherless. It was in my Shop My collection. And that is the final look, you guys. Let me get closer. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and also I will be having more tutorials coming up, and I love you guys, and I'll see you later. Bye.